Welcome back to our channel, Get Cooking Now. Today's recipe is a Goan street food popular all year long. But during the monsoon season, when it's raining outside, it's the perfect snack with a hot cup of tea. Our recipe for today is Goan Bhajias. Step 1. Preparing the ingredients. You will need 2 medium-sized onions, 1 medium potato and 1 medium capsicum. You will also need 1.5 cups of gram flour or besan, 1.5 teaspoon of rice flour, 1/4 teaspoon of red Kashmiri chili powder, 1/8 teaspoon of cumin powder or jeera powder, 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt for the batter, and you will need 3 pinches of salt for the vegetables. Step 2. Preparing the vegetables. Take 2 medium onions, cut it into 2 halves and then cut them into long strips. Take the capsicum, cut it into 2 halves. Remove and discard the stem and seeds and then cut it into cubes.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Take the potato, remove and discard the skin and then cut it into thin round slices. The slices should not be thick. Apply a pinch of salt to the sliced potatoes and mix it well. Put the sliced onions in a bowl. Apply a pinch of salt and mix it well. Make sure to open the sliced onions and separate each strip. This will make the onion bhajias come out better. Also apply a pinch of salt to the capsicum pieces and mix them well. Step 3. Preparing the batter. In a bowl, take 1.5 cups of gram flour or besan. Sieve the flour. Take 3/4 cup of water, but don't add it in one go. Start by adding half the quantity of water. Then add the salt, cumin powder or jeera powder, red Kashmiri chili powder. Then add the rice flour. Adding the rice flour makes the bhajias crisper. Do not add the baking soda at this stage. We will add it later just before we start frying. Add little water at a time so that the batter does not become very watery. Now mix everything properly. Ensure that there are no lumps. Add the remaining water as much as required to make a nice, thick and smooth batter. Mix everything properly. Check the consistency of the batter. It should not be too thick nor too thin. We had about 1 tablespoon of water remaining after we finished making the entire batter. Add the baking soda in the batter just before you are about to start frying. Mix it nicely so that the batter becomes nice and fluffy. Baking soda gives a nice and fluffy feel and also prevents the bhajias from soaking too much oil. Your bhajia batter is now ready. Step 4. Frying the bhajias. On medium heat in a wide open heavy bottom pan, add the cooking oil for deep frying. To check if the oil is hot, take a drop of the batter and drop it in the oil. It should come up instantly. This will tell you the oil is ready. We will start with the potatoes. Take one slice of potato at a time, dip it fully in the batter, coat it well, remove the excess batter and then carefully place it in the hot oil. Do this with the rest of the potato slices. Do not overcrowd the pan with too many bhajiyas at one time as the temperature of the oil will drop. Let them cook for 2 minutes on one side and then gently flip them to cook the other side. The bhajiyas that you dropped into the oil first will get cooked faster. Flip them before you flip the ones that you put in later. Remove them once they are golden in color on both sides. Delicious potato bhajiyas are ready. Fry all the remaining potato bhajiyas similarly. Now let's fry the capsicum bhajiyas. Take one piece of capsicum at a time, dip it fully in the batter, coat it well, remove the excess batter and then place it carefully in the hot oil. Let them cook for 2 minutes on one side and then gently flip them to cook the other side. Remove them once they are golden in color on both sides. Delicious capsicum bhajiyas are ready. Fry all the remaining capsicum bhajiyas similarly. Now add the sliced onions in the remaining batter. Mix them well. In case the batter is less to coat the onions properly or the batter has become watery over time, add a little extra gram flour or basin flour and mix it well. You need to have a thick and smooth batter. You can also add finely cut green chilies if you like it slightly spicy. Once you mix it properly, take small portions of the onion mixture and place it carefully in the hot oil. Like I said earlier, the bhajiyas that you put in the oil first need to be turned first as they will cook faster than the ones you put in later.
If you found this recipe interesting, do press the like button and share your feedback in the comment section below.
Let them cook for 2 minutes on one side and then turn them around to fry the other side. Gently stir them around to cook all sides. Remove them once they are golden in color on both sides. Delicious onion bhajiyas are ready. These are enjoyed best with a hot cup of tea, especially during the monsoon season when it's raining outside. If you have any questions or feedback, please write to us in the comment section. Fry all the remaining onion bhajiyas similarly. Serve the bhajiyas hot with chili garlic powder masala, spicy green chutney, or you can also use tomato ketchup or red chili sauce. Do let us know if you like this video and see you soon with another interesting Goan recipe.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.